right, what's up, everybody? It's Overflow next to the channel, Faith Trading, and we'll give you the latest and greatest updates on the financial markets. I was laughing because I saw a glitch on my screen on my mic, and it was funny because I don't know, it's just funny. It's just overloaded right now. Let me see. Let me turn down the volume too. If y'all could hear me, let me know. If I'm too loud, let me know. I don't know what's going on, but hey, let me know. It's been a minute since I did a live stream. I've been busy, been working on some stuff, and also preparing for, doing more content for you guys on YouTube as well. Let's see. What's up, General Groper? How you doing? You said good evening. God bless you. We're not blown up on Twitter yet. I started dollar cost averaging XRP today. Yeah. I don't know. I can't say. I can't tell you. But when the time comes, hey, I will blow up when the time comes. But it doesn't seem like it's the time now. So in time, it'll happen. But hey, I'm not tripping. I'm not worried about it. It's all up to God anyway if I'm going to blow up or not. But hey, we'll find out soon. We'll see. We will see. But yeah, if you could hear this live, let me know. I'm not sure if y'all can hear me or not. I don't know how it sounds on y'all's end. I'm trying to figure that out right now because usually when I do a test stream, it's fine. But when I start live streaming, it acts up and starts acting funny. But let me know. What's up, Pierce? How you doing, brother? Yeah, I appreciate you being on here. So yeah, if y'all can hear me, let me know in the chat. I just want to make sure everything's clear before I move forward because I do know sometimes when I do a live stream, it acts up and then y'all can't hear me or whatever the case may be. So let me know in the chat if y'all can hear me and it's clear. I'm looking at some charts right now. I'm trying to find some live trades because I see some opportunities that are potentially about to happen. It's just a matter of if the market's going to play or not. So let's see. But yeah, let me know in the chat if it sounds clear. What's up, CG? How you doing? You can hear me clear? You can hear me good? Perfect. I'm not going to be here long because I do plan on going to the gym. I was going to go to the gym early this morning, but I don't know what happened to me. I was extra tired for no reason. And it's crazy because I have not been tired. I've been full of energy every single other day. But today I just felt so sluggish. So I just assumed that it's because I plan on going to the gym and I don't plan on being stopped. So that's one thing I think. I think that's why I woke up very sluggish today. I don't know. Let me see. But I am about to get on these charts in a second. I do want to share something that it was funny because I was talking to my sister and I got this word. It was very brief and it's for her, but I believe it was, anybody could benefit from this word and I was praying about it. But I was talking to my sister about time and, putting your time or spending your time with people or giving your time to people or people wanting your time for the wrong reasons or wanting to take your time for the wrong reasons and how to get away from those time leeches, people that steal your time, whether they want something. And because, people usually come to you because they either want something or they are genuine and they really want to be friends with you or whatever the case may be. But it's funny how this word came up because I was talking to my sister about time. And then I heard the Lord say time leeches. I said, oh, time leeches, that's interesting. That's a different way to say something. So he was saying there's people that come to us that want to waste our time. Either they want something from us or they know that you have something, but they want to take what you have. And you have to learn the people that want to either take your time or want to add on to your time or going to be beneficial in the time that you give. Now, it's the scripture that he gave me. I'm not going to read it, but I probably might do another live stream on it just to go more in detail. But the scripture that came to my mind was when Jesus was looking for disciples and all the people that were wanting to be his disciples. Like there was thousands of people that wanted to be his disciples, but only 12 of them pretty much stayed, and the others, disappeared. So what the Lord was trying to speak to me and tell me through that scripture was, there's people that come into our life that are going to want what you have, and they want the disciples that were trying to follow Jesus, the people that wanted to follow Jesus but didn't. They wanted to have what he had. They wanted to walk in the anointing, the power, and the stuff that he had. And the reason why they didn't was because he told them to let go of things, to sell all your possessions, pretty much follow him. And a lot of people couldn't do that. And so the ones that did sell all their stuff, they left their things behind and followed Jesus, which was the 12 disciples. And it was interesting because people follow you because they want what you have, but they're not willing to go through what you are willing to go through. So it is interesting how the Lord gave me that word. I'm gonna go into detail in that. I'm probably gonna do a Bible study on that, but this was just a short on what I was talking about with my sister about time leeches. So be careful if people are out there wasting your time. You gotta make sure you don't waste time, especially now, because time is short, and you don't want to be wasting it with the wrong folks. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. Before we get into the technical analysis, and also look for trading opportunities in the market. I put out a video earlier. If y'all seen the video, I might post it in the chat. I'm not sure yet, but I did put out a video today. I think y'all should check it out. It's for people that are struggling with their trading, finding entries, finding how to get into the market without getting burnt too bad. So I gave a little tips on what I use to get into the market, and reasons why I take trades certain places, reasons why I don't take certain trades. So yeah, definitely check out that video if you haven't already. I'll probably link it in the chat box so y'all can see it. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this TA and look for some potential trades on the market for whatever y'all want to look at, and definitely crypto for sure. I'm gonna just give you my thoughts and go into more detail. You said sorry, was in the middle of typing and lost the chat. Did it fix that typo? Good to be here. Yeah, no problem, man. No worries. No worries. Let me go ahead and jump to this TA. What's up, RJ Gonzalez? How you doing? Long time indeed. Hope you're doing well. But yeah, it's been a minute. I haven't done a live stream in a while for like a week or two. It's been a minute. All right, so we're gonna take a look at XRP. I want to, talk the trash, but I'm not gonna, because I know a lot of people on Twitter gave me a hard time for the market dropping, and look where the market's at. we graced slightly above 29 cents today. We just slightly touched it, but we did it, we did get into 29 cents. We just grazed it barely, but we're gonna touch it. I believe tonight, or unless we get a correction tonight, I'm not sure, but I do know that the market is looking for more bleeding at this point. But it's gonna be interesting to see if we can find an opportunity on shorting again, or going for a short long-term trade, or whatever the case may be. We're trying to catch profit in whatever direction the market goes. You said still in profit. Who could say the same? Right? Not many. But let me show y'all what I'm seeing currently right now. I'm not gonna go too hard and crazy. Let me see. All right. So right now the market is pretty. Let me fix this. Right now the market is pretty. Obviously it's bearish. We already know what direction the market's heading. But the what I'm trying to figure out is how soon, or how soon the market's going to start pushing its way down. Or are we going to get a small correction to the upside? Based on the daily time frame, I'm not seeing any bullish momentum based off the daily, but I am seeing the price starting to break this low that I have drawn up. You said Ichimoku for Bitcoin looks very depressing. Oh yeah, it's very terrible. I'll look at that one next for a potential trade setup. But there's no trade here on the daily time frame, so I'm not gonna pay attention to the daily. I'm probably gonna focus more on the 4 hour down to the 15 for some trading opportunities. So here on the 4 hour, we had a tinkin bounce at this level. I had caught a trade here over actually yesterday. I'm gonna make a video about that tomorrow. So I made a $900 trade here on XRP going short. I want to show you guys that. Let me go to Twitter real quick because I think I posted it on Twitter. Let me go here real quick. Shout out to my student Ace the Greatest. He flipped his account from $65 to $565, which was a pretty good move. But let me show y'all that trade. Here it is. So this was the XRP trade I took yesterday. I got in at this point, and I took a little short. It wasn't like too crazy. I should have actually held it, because if I held it, I would have made $3 grand. But it's whatever. I made just a little over 900. So right here, I made $931 on the trade yesterday. You know, just using a simple trading strategy. I used the Tinkinson bounce. I saw that price was bouncing off the red line here. So that's where I was entering, put a stop loss slightly above it, and that's where I got in on my trade. So that's what I was seeing yesterday, and this was about right in this area up here where I got in the trade, and you see the market came down viciously. I wish I kind of got in there, but sometimes you can't catch all that. It's fine. It's fine. I should have actually stayed in the trade, but it's all good. I didn't want to get too greedy, because I know if I start to get greedy in the market, I tend to pay for it, and that's not a good thing. But from this point, this is where I got in the trade and rode it all the way down to where you see prices are currently sitting. Right now, let me see. Let me go down to the 1 hour. Right now, we are showing... There is bullish divergence, but I don't think it's strong enough. If anything, what I do see that may keep the bulls like kind of alive is this right here, because we are technically ranging within this one candle on the hour time frame. So what I want to see some selling pressure come in. I see buyers are coming in the market, but I don't see sellers coming in on the 1 hour yet. And then I see on the 15-minute time frames, buyers are still trying to push the market right here. So that's why I'm not jumping in the market just yet. Let me make sure I keep this on the 1 hour time frame. But yeah, in here, this is why I'm concerned, because the bulls are actually holding the ground right here at the 30-cent level. So they're trying to hold the line, and they're doing a pretty good job right now. So I can't really take a bullish trade yet. What I would look for is for price to probably come back up again, and then look for the market to bounce to the downside. That's what I will be looking for. What's up, TKO? How you doing, brother? Appreciate you joining the live stream, bro. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. But looking here at the market, from what I'm seeing, I'm not liking this for a trade yet. Not yet. If you was going long down here, that might be a little wise. There is buying pressure here, but I want to see another move back up, then, you know, push down. But there's none of that yet. Even on the 5-minute time frames, you see this bullish divergence very clearly. Let me show you guys how clear this is. So buyers are definitely coming in at this price right now, as you see right here. So you see prices going lower, making lower lows here, while the CVOs you see is going higher. You see buyers are coming in the market. So this is saying there's a contradiction in the market. So I'm expecting the bulls to push the market up just a little bit. I'm not sure what level yet. Let me look for a level to potentially trade at. Maybe the bulls will push up here, and then we'll see some more downside action. I'm expecting probably something like this. And I'll get into some other pairs soon as well. But this is why I'm looking at the market going up, because if you look back here, taking Ichimoku off, you see buyers here I'll label it or draw a circle here. Buyers came in. You can see all in here. Buyers came in, and you see currently right now buyers are trying to still hold this level. So that's why I'm not jumping the gun just yet. I'm just waiting for the market to give me a definitive answer, because right now it's not very definitive. It really could go either way. Even if it's just a short time uptrend, it's still showing a little bit of buying momentum here. So I'm expecting a short term buy. I'm gonna say up until this area and then short it. Now we could still see the market just drop from here, but for that to happen, we have to break a few levels on the lower time frame. But right now it's just a waiting game. But I still am expecting some more downward action. If you were a aggressive trader, you probably go in for a short right now. If you're going to be more conservative, probably you'll wait for maybe a push up to the upside and then get aggressive and then take a short to the downside. But right now, no trading opportunity on XRP. RJ, you said everything is good. This is where the money is made. Only losers sell on these times. Well, I wouldn't be so sure of that, because we actually might be in another 1 year or 2 year bear market. So it's actually best if people did sell at this time, because a lot of people are going to take a hit because the inflation that's happening. So I wouldn't say losers. But I will say if people didn't take heed of the warnings, then yeah, they're gonna be losers as far as inflation getting them. But hey, I could only say what I see. I want to show you something very important. This is why I have been warning people about this since last year. I've been warning people about this since March, and it's finally come to pass. So let me show you this weekly chart. Let me show you this. Let me take this off. So we already hit 2 out of 4 targets on XRP. But if you look at what I'm showing here, if you see this last cloud back in 2017 to 2018, 19, look how bearish this cloud was. And we're forming the same bearish cloud again. Y'all see that? Y'all see this? So this is what is kind of scary, because a lot of people are not really noticed, or people that don't trade Ichimoku think, oh, we're going to be bullish, because you have all these buyers or all these people on Twitter, shilling coins and saying, the market's going to go bullish, and not taking into consideration the negative aspect of the market. We might be in another 2-year bear market. Looking at the past, looking at how the cloud formed again, like the same. You see how the market moved down and it stayed underneath the cloud? We might go way down here, down to the 14-cent level. And we're already getting close to that 20-cent level, and we could easily come down to the 14-cent level and probably lower. If we come lower, then the lowest that I see is like 2 cents, and that's gonna be wild. But I hope that's not the case, because a lot of people are gonna feel the pain for the next 2 years, because this is showing another 2-year market to the downside. But I hope for people's sake that I'm wrong. But so far I have not been wrong on this. And you see here, we're still underneath the cloud on the monthly time frame as well, and we just actually broke it. So once this monthly candle closes, I'm expecting some very low prices on XRP. But as far as trading opportunities, nothing yet. Nothing just yet. It's forming on the 15 in an hour. Let me see. Actually, you could probably go short here if you want to be aggressive, but we'll see. I'll put an alert right here and come back to it later, and we'll see what happens. All right. So yeah, I'm still bearish overall. Let's see. You said God is good. What's up, everybody? What's up, Senior? How you doing? Senor. It's going good, TKR. Appreciate you asking, man. It's just been an interesting day. I'll say that. Okay, let's look at some BTC. Ooh, Bitcoin's about to hit 20 cents. Wow. Whoa. I mean, not 20 cents, 20K. I said 20 cents, 20K. Let's go to the weekly. Ooh. I know someone's salty. I know someone's really salty on this chart. You said hot summer in Cali, but the crypto world makes it feel like winter. I feel you on that. So I was telling everybody from this point that Bitcoin will come down and we will hit these low prices. As you already see, we have hit them. We hit the 29K level. We're about to hit the 20K level. We're sitting like literally right above it. And then you have 17K is going to be our third target, or actually our fourth target. And then our fifth target is going to be 9K, the 9K level. But this, I don't see anything nice right now in the crypto market. We formed our N-wave structure right here. And that's why you see this market, making its way downtown, coming to the downside. But this market is looking very bad right now. I got another alert. Oh, wow. XRP trade might be ready right now. Let me see. It just hit my alert. Yep, sellers are now officially back in the market. I might wait for this candle to close. I might actually take my short right now. I'm going to post this to my students right now for a short. All right, give me a second, you guys. I'm going to post this. Oh, crap. Oops, I sent the wrong chart. Hold on a second. That's not right. Let me do this again. Hold on, I gotta do this again. I realized I clicked too fast. Hold on a second. So we might actually not get a push to the upside. We might actually drop right now. But let me send this to my students really quick so they could see it for themselves. All right, there we go. Yeah, this seems ready right now. There's 2 minutes for this candle to close. I'm going to take a short on this trade. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm going to put in a little lot size because I don't like trading the breakouts because I like trading the retest. But looking at this momentum, it looks pretty solid, so I'm going to go for it. Let me see. Why is it not playing? There we go. I'm gonna do a $5 trade. And let's go sell. Okay. All right, so I just entered my trade on XRP, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully it goes well. So I'm seeing the momentum to the downside here. Let me also set my stop loss and take profit as well. Let's see the 15-minute time frame. So stop loss. Yeah, that's not a fun stop loss, but it is what it is. Let me pull it up a little there. Right there should be fine. And let me set my targets. Where did I set it at? Nope, I put it at 15. Nope, let's go a little bit higher. All right, I got my trade set up now, so we're good. Now we could look at the market. So yeah, I'm going short on XRP right now. I like what I'm seeing here. Goodness, I might have to get rid of these alerts because these alerts are make me go crazy. So yeah, I'm going short right now. So if you want to short XRP, go ahead and short it. I'm shorting right now. Y'all just saw me put in my trades. So we will see how that goes. I'm just gonna watch it, just let it play, and go to the next pair, and just be patient. Uh, Going back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pretty much doing the same thing as XRP. Everything's pretty much screaming bearish on the hour time frame. Just it doesn't show selling volume yet, but on the 15-minute time frame, it is showing sellers are coming in the market. They actually came in the market right here, according to this. So should have been in a while ago, but that's fine. Sellers are now coming in the market. I want to see how they're going to push or break through this level and see what's going to happen there. I do think they're going to push hard. Let's see. You said I was about to say 20 cents. Let me get in. Hello. Yeah, go ahead, get in the trade. Let's see. Sailor position must have been called 21 was his number. Sad. Who's that person? Who you talking about? I don't know who that person is. What's up, Apex 47? How you doing? But yeah, other than that, there's a trade coming up on Bitcoin. You could get in, but hey, if you get in now, you'll be in a little bit of down draw. But that's up to you. You set your stop loss. It could come to this point before coming back down. Make another wave here and then push lower. That's where I like to take a trade. I don't like taking trades here, but given the opportunity now, that's what I'm seeing. What's up, Josh? How we doing, bro? We just took a short on XRP, so hopefully that goes well. Ethereum is looking bad. Let's see. Let's go to the daily. So Ethereum hit all my targets back in here, but let me see something. Let me get rid of this. Oh, Michael Saylor. Okay, okay. I still don't know who that is. You telling me still don't help nothing. I'm just being real. I don't know a lot of people in the crypto space. I mind my own business, stay in my own lane, don't mess with nobody, but get what I got to get done. Just being honest. I might look him up, though, just because you mentioned him. Oh, definitely had a great weekend. Oh, man, see, look at all this selling pressure coming in. Look at it's very bearish, too, on Ichimoku. So let me see something. I don't really care about what direction we're going in. I care about looking for an actual trade setup. So we should have caught a trade right here. I bet you, I'm betting, if I go down to a smaller time frame, I'm betting that sellers came in right there. Yeah, sellers did come in right here. Yeah, they came in right there perfectly. So I missed that opportunity. Let's see. Sellers are coming in again right now. It's just right now there's a power struggle between bulls and bears. What I'd rather do is wait for this candle to close before going short. So 10 minutes before this candle closes. Once the candle closes, then I will look to go short here. That's just me. If I like to wait for candles to close just because it saves you from getting into disastrous trades. I seen one time where the market was going down, entered a trade, didn't wait for the candle to close, and then what ended up happening was the candle spiked up a little bit, and then all of a sudden, it went in the opposite direction just because I did not wait. So this will be a good spot to wait at if you're trying to take a trade. So wait for this candle to close before entering a short on Ethereum, but from here, I'm expecting the market to go short based off the selling pressure coming in. So that's what I'm expecting now. But we will see how this candle closes. Let's see. I'm just looking at some posts. Let me see what you said. You said he's the biggest Bitcoin maxi. Was telling a few weeks ago to buy, then mortgage your house and buy more. Oh my God, he's crazy. Also, a sad day or sad day is for El Salvador. Yeah, El Salvador, that country as a whole is going down. Sadly, though, that's real sad. Yeah, it's very sad for the people. I agree with you on that. Let's see. Let's take a look at US 30. Okay, US 30 is trying to do something. Let me see. So US 30 made a double bottom. Right there. It's ooh. There is bullish divergence here on US 30 too. Okay, maybe I'm gonna need to look for a buying opportunity. Let me see. We're starting to form a C clamp too on Ichimoku. So I am seeing the market is getting out of equilibrium, which is saying that the market may want to correct as well. So let me see. This could get interesting. Let's see. Let's play this game. I'm seeing a lot of selling pressure on the 4-hour, but we're still failing to break this level. So we might see buyers push up in here. We might see it consolidate for a little bit, but ultimately in this bubble, buyers are going to start coming in on US 30. Those that don't know what US 30 is, pretty much look into the Dow Jones and you'll know what it is. I don't have a lot of time to explain that. But based off what I'm seeing, yeah, we might get this push up. And I would like that. I would definitely take that long if given the opportunity. So I might stay up late tonight for a trade. I might do that. Let me see. Let me go down to the. So if you look here on US 30, you see buyers are coming in right now. It's not as clear on probably on like a 15-minute time frame, but you see buyers are slowly coming in here. And then you see on the 15-minute, they're definitely in the market. They're just probably, scared right now to really pull the trigger. So probably around, probably around midnight, the market will move to the upside here. Probably not this deep. Maybe I'm exaggerating right here, but two levels that I will look at here, and I will look at here. Really, let me just do this so I don't confuse myself. So we have an order block here and an order block here. So we might see the market move back up to this cloud and then continue to the downside, which I would like that. I want to see that particular move for US 30. Anybody trade US 30 or into trading US 30? I don't just trade cryptos. For those that are joining or watching for the first time, I trade everything. Well, not everything. Pretty much Forex and cryptocurrency. Stocks, I'll look at stocks, but I don't really trade stocks. I'll tell people what stocks, it seems decent. I told Elon Musk, if y'all saw the post I was telling Elon Musk that Twitter stock would drop, and it dropped. So, but yeah, you guys, if y'all want to know more about certain pairs, let me know. I might look into them or make a quick 1-minute analysis video on it and give my thoughts on it. Let's see. But as far as getting in this market right now, it's looking like buyers are trying to come in. But let me see something, because I would not trade this on the hour. That would take too long. What I want to see personally, let me take this off. What I personally want to see is it break out of this mother candlestick here. I'll just leave it like this. So what's happening? The market is ranging within this one candle currently. So what we need to see a break either above it or below it with the volume. And I'm not seeing that yet. So until that happens, I'm not taking any type of trades yet. Like right here, let me give you an example. Here was another example of a mother candle trade, right? So you see the market is ranging within this candle. You have that breakout and you have buyers coming in right there. So you could have taken this trade and been in some profit. It would have been a lot, but it would have been, some decent profit. Let's see. That would have been about 52 points, 53 points. Yeah, that's not a bad trade, but that's also a trade that not a lot of people could, would like to hold a trade like that. It's not a lot of profit, but for US 30, that's quite a bit of profit. So let me add an alert here and a alert here. So I'll come back to this if my alert's triggered. I probably might be in the gym by that time anyway, so I might not be able to see this. Let me see. Let me take off the alert for this as well, because this is starting to irritate me. Let me delete it. And that's clean. All right, so we're good here. US 30 is not ready yet, but you want to see a breakout either to the upside or downside. Looking at the momentum currently, the market is making this wave here, this S wave. So we might see the market do something like this. So that's why I have not really pulled the trigger just yet. But we are seeing buyers wanting to take some control here. And let me go down to, I don't want to go down too far, but the 5 minutes is probably the lowest I'll go. Seeing here where you see buyers are decreasing, but even though it shows buyers are decreasing, that's because you see the market's ranging right in here. So this is still anybody's game. Really anybody's game on this pair. So that being said, this is not ready yet, but hey, just got to be waiting for this one. It might not even come this high, but if it does, that'd be great. How many points would that be from here? So that'd be like 800 points to, let me go. So for like, I'll say 660 to about 956. This is a potential. I'm not saying it's going to come that high. That's where I would look to take a trade short if the price was going to come that high. And also maybe even here as well. The market could come to this point, then start to reject it and go to the downside. So got two areas that I'm looking at. Something like this. Let me redraw this one again. If y'all have any questions, like how I view the market, feel free to ask questions too, because I will answer your questions. Now, if you're asking like crazy questions, I ain't gonna answer. But if you're asking like questions pertaining to the charts and or what's about the market, then that's fine. But keep it clean, keep it classy. Also, if you have not joined the Discord group, feel free to join the Discord group. Subscribe if this is your first time here, and also if you are new, definitely consider being a member if you want to sharpen your trading skills as well. But let's go to the next one. Let's go to, whoa, yes, I'm in profit on XRP. Let's go. Let's see. So I'm not up a lot, but we're up $50 on XRP currently, $100. So let me show y'all the trade. Y'all might not be able to see it, but that's fine. But right here is, you can see my profit in the corner. If y'all could see that, you can see the profit that I'm making currently. And it's just fluctuating up and down. So yeah, we're in the trade. So hey, we're good right now. XRP is doing good. What's up, Jay Swayze? How we doing, boy? Yeah, it's been forever. I know. It has been forever. Man, just watching this market, bro. I'm waiting. Oh, I need to share this on Twitter. We just hit our third target again. And we're headed to our next target. And I just got an alert here, so I'm probably gonna check that and see. Let me see. 15 minutes. Ooh, excuse me. Oh. Oh, this looks like it's going down. This looks like it's going downtown. Okay. We're gonna see this market go short. Okay, if you're entering, let me see. 14. Nope, never mind. Don't enter yet. It's not ready yet. If you want to be aggressive, you might as well enter, but I don't want to play that game. I want to play patty cake with the market. That's dangerous. But looking at Tezos, Tezos is still looking bearish. We still got our Tezos targets. There's so much noise on my chart. But you know what? Let me delete this line. That's too much noise. We still got one more target left for Tezos. So it'll be 4 out of 4. So I'm gonna share this on Twitter. Let me see. Okay. Let me share this real quick. Ooh. Looking for. Okay, I'll just say that. All right, let's go. So yeah, we're still bearish on this one. I'm not surprised. This market's looking nasty. Let's see. Okay. If y'all have any requests, feel free to share y'all's requests. I'm just looking at my list. Let me take a look at gold real quick, and then I'll move on from there. If y'all have a request, go ahead and share your requests. I know I'm not going to be here too long, but I just wanted to... Ooh, I liked something here. Let me delete all this. And, you know, let me just start everything over. Okay, here we go. I don't need Ichimoku on this one. This one's a ranging market. So right now, what I would look for, I want to see if sellers are going to start to disappear here. I want to see if buyers are going to come into this territory. If you look back in the past, buyers were in this territory, and if we extend it out even further, you can see buyers were definitely, you know, taking this territory. So I want to check and see if buyers are going to come in here on this specific level. Because you see it's clearly ranging. That's an obvious range. But the question is, are we going to move higher, or are we going to truly break lower here? Now, as you see that there's a decrease in, you know, buyers right now. So this is saying sellers are increasing. So what I want to see, probably on the hour time frame, is see this market. So you see here on the hour, buyers are actually coming in right here on the hour. So this is actually an opportunity to buy gold. Let me get rid of that. Buy some gold now and see if we could get back in here. And that's what it's looking like. Gold is wanting to probably come back up to this level. I'm going to say to here or to here. So I'm going to set my targets for gold. I'm not going to take a trade here because I'm not, you know, I have to wait for, I have to go to a lower time frame to check to make sure. But looking based off the hour, this is what I'm seeing. Between, you know, this range and this range is what I'm seeing for gold currently. Maybe not, you said may not be a question for this live stream. I'm lost, don't understand how you make a trade on XRP and make money as XRP drops. Okay, so have you ever traded forex or stocks? So you're making money off the percentage that the as the market falls. Like, okay, so in forex, there's things called pips, right? So you see the numbers on the side. This is how people make money if the market goes up or down. So if the market goes down, what's up, Justin? How you doing? If the market goes up or down, you see these numbers on the side. So each from from a certain point to a certain point is a you know what, just because you said this, I'm gonna make a video going into more detail, but just what I'm explaining here, from let's say this point where the market's currently at. So from like this black, well, actually let me make it a green line or a blue line. I'll make it blue. So from this blue line all the way up to this line here, this hot pink line. All right. So from this line to this line, there's a certain amount of points between the market. What's up, Pikachu? How you doing? So from this point to this point, there's a certain amount of points going from here to here. So as the market's going up, I'm risking a certain amount of capital. If the market goes up, I'm getting money based off the points that's going up, because there in the market, there's what's it called? What's it called again? Fluctuation, the rates, fluctuation rates of the market. So in forex, the price of money is always going up and down, right? So when the price of money is always going up and down, my homegirl's actually texting me. She's blowing me up right now. What's happening is that when the market goes up, there's a percentage of that, the fluctuation rate that goes up. You're making money off the fluctuation rate. So if it's going down, so let's say it's vice versa. Say if I'm selling at this point, there's amount of points coming to the downside. You're making money on that fluctuation rate. That's how you make money if the market's going up or down. And I don't think a lot of people understand that concept, because that's foreign to a lot of people. It's not something that people teach or what people talk about. And that's why investing is not the same as trading. It's not. Woo-wee, let's go XRP, keep dropping, baby. But anyway, let me go back to gold. Let me see. I hope that makes sense. I know I know it doesn't make sense, because I'd rather show you like details, make like a what's it called? I'd rather make a PowerPoint that shows you examples on what it is, the fluctuation rate of money, and not just money, currency, or cryptocurrency. You make money whether it's going up or down. That's what people don't understand. You said that's a huge point, that investing is not the same as trading. Yeah, it's definitely not the same as trading. Yeah, it's definitely not. You make money off the fluctuation rates, and that's why traders take advantage of that, because you make way more money day trading than investing, and I don't think that's got through people's heads yet. I'm like, okay, y'all missing out on the real money, but hey, I've been telling people for 2 years, learn how to trade. You make more money day trading than investing. You said it made sense. I don't fully get it, but that cleared it up. Okay, let me say this. Okay, so have you ever been outside the country? Like if you ever been from, let's say you go from American dollars to exchange in euros, right? So if you go to Europe or anywhere in the UK, wherever, they use the euro. So when you go to euro, I say euro. When you go to Europe, anywhere in Europe, and you start off with like $200 or $300, right? So you're born in Ireland, gotcha. Okay, so when you exchange your currency for another currency, there's a fluctuation rate. So I think for Canada, in America, I think the Canadian dollar is slightly more. I maybe have it backwards, but when you exchange a dollar for let's use Canada, since Canada's right above us. But if you exchange the U.S. dollar for the Canadian dollar, there's a fluctuation rate and there's a percentage in price that happens, right? Now, depending on the time of year, let's say one day you go to Canada and you exchange your $200 and you get 350 back, right? In Canadian dollars, 350 Canadian dollars. So what happens is, let's say you come back to America at a certain time and the fluctuation of the price happened again. When you come back to America, let's say instead of coming back with $200 and exchanging that Canadian dollar for American dollars now, you end up getting 250 instead of 200. Even though you exchange the same amount, you get a higher amount of dollars because the fluctuation rate happened. This is what they've been talking about in the banks. How banks make their money is because they use our money based off the fluctuation rate of what's going on in the in the economy. Money's always, the price of money is always going up and down. That's why you see traders take advantage of that. That's all trading is taking advantage of the fluctuation rates of the money. Not a lot of people know that, but hey, I'm glad you asked that question. I will make a video of that just because you asked. It's called "What is a pip" or "What is forex." I'll make that video, and so I could break it down in more detail with a PowerPoint, so you can see what's actually going on. It's actually cool when you figure this stuff out. Not a lot of people know that. That's why I think a lot of people are kind of weirded out when you could sell something and make money, or you could make money with something's going up. I don't think people understand that concept. It's funny though, but it's interesting. Let me see. Ooh, hold on, you guys. Let me see something. So I'm looking at the trade right now. We're up. Let me just show y'all, cause y'all don't. Let me show y'all. We are up 280 something. So we're up. Well, actually, just dropped some more. So you see how the market is fluctuating. The price down here is fluctuating up and down. You see, as the market is going down, the price is fluctuating right now. So I'm taking advantage of that fluctuation in price. That's how I'm making money. That's why you see it went from like 200 to 150 right now. That's how markets work. It fluctuates that much. And it's fluctuating a lot right now, actually, so I'm not liking that too much. But anyway, you get what I'm saying. Let me see something real quick. Let me see. Let me text my friend real quick. Let's see. Yeah, I'm doing a live stream right now, so I will hit you up right after I finish, if that's okay with you, all right? I just sent a voice message because it's faster. I don't feel like texting. I'm like, nah, I'm gonna do that. But anyway, that's how you do. I'll go into detail. I'll make a video about it because I know it doesn't make sense now, but if I show like a PowerPoint, it'll make a lot more sense. Ooh, XRP dive. Let's go, baby. Keep diving. So I need this candle to close. Ooh, yes, that's what I want. I want to close like that. Let's go. We are up $400, baby. Let's go. We are up $400. You said, can you please show how long XRP? Can you please show how is XRP? Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. It's dropping hard right now. It's about to hit 28 cents right now. But yeah, I'm up 426 right now on the trade. I'm about to post this on. Y'all see the trade for yourselves. I'm about to post this on Twitter. Hopefully this momentum stays like this. Hold on, I'm about to post this trade on Twitter. Why people sleep on me on Twitter? I don't understand. I think it's the hate is strong. I got another alert on XRP.